Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today is August 9th, Friday, and we have an iPhone 6s Plus with a cracked screen. And as you can see, it's pretty cracked. Everything still works on it. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. Hope you enjoy.
You've got to hustle, there ain't no time for sleep. Just keep on moving, do what you're doing. You always play for keeps.
And we are done. So 7 minutes and 45 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 6s Plus screen. So everything still functions. This is just a little screen protector that comes on there so the screens don't get scratched. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, unlock, anything to do with iPhones, we can help you. Make sure you check out our Instagram and also our website. I'll leave the links in the description below. And if you get the chance to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share the video on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all of our customers. Thank you for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.